welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing 6 ways how I like to start and refresh my home depending on whichever room it is, just to give it a nice refresh. So I hope these tips are helpful for you and I hope you enjoyed today's video. So starting off with our first tip is actually to clear out the room. So I would like to remove all of my seasonal decor or holiday decor, whatever I have out there. I also like to remove all of the pillows and throw blankets and everything that are just like from that season and so on. And then after I remove all of that out, I also like to take the moment to declutter through it and put away what I actually still love and enjoy and want to reuse, and then just put like in a sale or gift away pile of items that I am no longer using or do not like want anymore. Once that is all cleared out, I like to go with step 2, which is deep or light cleaning depending on the season and what your house needs to be done. So this is the moment I like to take, and if I need to wash my windows and I clear out my windows, I like to move furniture off of our carpet here in the living room so I could get a really good vacuum underneath. I also like to remove furniture from time to time, especially the sofa, to vacuum behind and on the bottom. I like to wipe down our light fixtures, lamps, and also any frames, picture art that we have up. And especially because it's always something that could get easily forgotten is our ceiling fans, the light fixtures on our ceiling, and also our curtain rods, because trust me, those are so easily to get forgotten. So we're going to go ahead and quickly wipe down all of our frames, light fixtures, side tables, and all of those furnitures. And if you have a new carpet that you want to switch out in a room, this is like just the perfect time to go ahead and do that, since you're deep cleaning underneath, and it gives you the chance to also mop or extra vacuum underneath the carpet before you lay down the new one.
I could climb the highest peak, could dive the deepest sea. I can't fail 'cause you're watching over me. I could walk on burning coal, near the fire, freezing cold ever hurts me since the day you saved my soul. I am strong 'cause I know I've got you on my side, and my faith is a burning flame. And as long as I know I have you on my side, all my enemies will fail. In your name I shall prevail. You speak and I heed the call. By your might all my foes will fall. I'm a soldier for your love. Holy Father, Son, your kingdom I know will come. Oh Jesus, I sing your name and praise.
And of course, we cannot forget to declutter the coffee table. If you guys are like us, underneath this coffee table happens to just be a catch-all for so many stuff, and especially the incense, since the tabletop does lift. So we definitely need to go ahead and check out all of that. And of course, I'm also removing all of the more Christmas coloring books and stuff that we had here.
I've got you on my side, and my faith is a burning flame. And as long as I know I have you on my side, all my enemies will fail. In your name I shall prevail.
Now moving on to step 3, we're gonna go ahead and update an old item by simply just spray painting it or just switching it up. Or like what I like to do is bring items that I'm using in a different room to a new room, or switch around furniture layouts and stuff like that. I just feel it helps so easily, and it's also extra budget friendly because you don't always have to go out and search for new items to decorate a place. Just go ahead and look around your house, through your storage bins, through your decor bins, everything, because there's always going to be something you could switch around. Or like here you see me adding new picture frames. So this one that I'm hanging now, I just printed it at CVS and then just ordered these frames off of Amazon, and like that I just simply have a new frame. But then moving on to step 4, I like to add in new fresh clean linens as well. So if you guys don't have new linens and just use like your daily throw blankets and pillows, just go ahead and quickly throw them into the washer, and trust me, it's already gonna give a new fresh clean scent. Or if you recently washed them and they still are like just lacking a little bit of fresh scent, just go ahead and take a spray bottle, add a little bit of Downy and water, and of course just spray it, and you'll already have that fresh clean scent on your linens. Or like here on our bar stools, I like to lighten them up a little bit, and plus our seat bottoms are not in perfect condition, so I'm just switching them up quickly for these covers. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and move on to our next step, which is bringing in plants. So if you guys are not new over here on my channel, you guys know I love plants, but I also have a habit of killing them. So in my house we do use fake and real ones, but I'm gonna go ahead and bring in most of our real ones here. It just changes up the room so much, it brings so much life, and plus plants have many different benefits. So for example, the snake plants, I use them for my son because he has allergies and asthma. And then moving on to our last but final tip is add a fresh seasonal scent to your home. Here in this video I'm using a candle, but you can also use a diffuser with a really nice clean seasonal scent, or plugins, which also work perfectly fine. I hope you guys found all of these tips so helpful, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Here are all of the afters, how our home is now looking as we finish refreshing the space. We're still in the winter time, so we're still keeping it very cozy and wintry over here, and I hope to see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.
have walked through the darkest valley, I was